Hey, hello guys, welcome back for this live stream. So let me just check voice and all are correct right now. Okay. Yeah, welcome back everyone. Welcome. So let me just go into Tradingview. Okay. So this is my yesterday trade. So let me just explain it right now. But before, we need some sort of people to come here. Okay, so let's wait. Let me just share to all of them. Okay. The live was started. Come and join. Done. So today I was just on out of station, so I can't just do the live. Okay. So first of all, GJ. So let me just watch it on 4 hour how GJ just looks right. Okay. See here, GJ just respecting this support area. Okay. So see here, the support area was broken. I just retest, so next candle just broke all the way down. So now the Sunday the candle just made a gap up, right? So the candle just started here and just respected support, and it just all the way printing next buy next. Okay, so 4 hour was bearish. So once really this 4 hour can just close below like this support, the next one may come till here to fill this gap. Okay, so we can just check 1 hour. Okay, so we can just what to say, arrange this. Okay. 1 hour price just came up and closed above the support, and next one just closed as a bullish one. So here sells not yet confirmed, and 30 minutes. Okay, now by just changing it's good. Okay, perfect. So in 30 minutes what candle says is right. So once this current candle, right? Okay, oh sorry, let me just connect this into my 5 minute. Wait a minute. Oh, there it is. Yeah, perfect. Yeah man, now perfect. See here. Okay, still is excellent. Okay, good connection. Okay, so this is DJ, right? So now this current candle should break below here to come down maybe till here or even here. Oh sorry, what is the peak value? So that's 71 pips, but anything may happen, guys. Okay, so I'm just expecting this clean move to be reflected here. Okay, so okay, done. So welcome, and this is for sell area. Okay, this is for sell, and for buys, I'm not comfortable with buys right now. Why? Because I'm just saying this is it's not, so it's not clean that much. You guys can see that this candle just closes as a bullish one, right? So see the wick, it gets, sorry, it get rejected in this place, right? So once even if the high was broken, so that was clumsy one. For clean buys, maybe, right, maybe here or here. Yeah, that's good. So we can just measure our pip value, how much comes. Okay, that's 35 pips. Perfect. So this may be our buy range, and this is our sell. That's it. And okay, for sells this is confirmed, but for buys, even the candle just gave, now the candle didn't give you some sort of confirmation here, but in case the candle just gave you some sort of confirmations in this area, we can, but remember this is a range. In range anything may happen, right? And DJ just gave a confirmation for sells. Okay, so let me just explain that too here, how you could catch that trade too. Okay, so see here, but this too will be risky one, but I'm just saying that. Okay, see here, candle just made a low here, right? So candles 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, some sort of candles, number of candles printing what to say, in side by side one. So here till here we had a clean candle, but here we had a minus support. So this is the reason why I won't take what to say, more trades on range, because see here, once the candle just closes bearish, okay, the next one should continue to go down as it done deliver on even here. But what happened here is, so the price just came up and broke the previous high, right? So what will we do that once the prices broke the previous on high, we would manage our risks. That's we will just close our 50%. Okay, but these tricks will just work on when the market is moving in uptrend, up like this or down like this. Okay, see here, for going down, the previous one didn't break the previous high, so this is what we need here. But still it is a good trade, man, on by experience, on by just seeing the market every time. You will definitely make use of it. Okay, so yeah, for those who are watching, so let me just explain my trade on yesterday I just took. Okay, so see here, I'm going to explain the trade. So what is the reason I just took this trade? Okay, so once I'm just waiting for this candle, right? So this candle to close. So what happened, I just waited for this candle to close because the candle didn't even want to say make a upper wick. So what I said, once a candle just candle is not making some sort of upper wicks, if you're just waiting for sales, okay, that's damn good, but we what to say, we need some sort of down wicks, okay, for the next one to come and fill that to continue to go down. But see here, that candle didn't make upper wick and lower wick too. Okay, so the next one has what to say 50-50 chance to continue to go down, but this candle broke the support and broke the all previous low and even closed below. But what happened next, so I just, where is the arrow? So I know the next candle may just come and fill after the candle. So my first entry here, and I just took the second entry once I can just made upper wick. Okay, so this is called a static risk. Okay, so I'm going to make a video soon about that. So that static risk will gain you more. Okay, so once a candle just made upper wick and just come all the way down, so once this candle just closed as a bearish, I had a hope that next one to continue to fall, because see the wicks keep rejecting that place. Okay, so that gives me confirmation. So once this candle just what to say closes as a bearish, you guys can see that, right? So once the candle just closes as a bearish, the next candle just came all the way down, but I just closed with only 15 bits or something, because here I just saw some of minor support, but GJ just came all the way down. Yeah man, see here, that's about 45 pips. That's really damn good trade. Clean candles on left, clean candles bidding on the current price too. Okay, so like this trade, if you just are going to see on next time, don't ever miss that. Just take the trade and enjoy your profits, man. That's it. Okay, that's candle of 20 pips. Okay, we can just watch today candle and how it gonna to move now. Okay, we can just have a look at 50 minutes and see left. Okay, that's too clean one, there is no problem. And in 5 minutes, because on even 5 minutes rejection, like, okay, 5 minutes here we have some kind of things, but that doesn't matter. We can just come into 30 minutes. You can just remove all this stuff. So okay, so let me just mention that if price close below 138.341, we can go till 137.722. okay, so this for sell idea. Hey man, that's good. And for buys, maybe, right, maybe but here I'm not gonna have a idea here. So for me buys, if candle buys above 139.033, it can go till 139.350. fine, perfectly fine. So why I'm just saying this is, so in case if you gonna to, if you can't wait for taking a single trade, man, that's really waste. Okay, so just think it. Okay, if your mind says, okay, we should not wait for this much time for candle to break up or break down, why you need to risk your money, man? Okay, so in case if you just come into profits, okay, that's good. What, just think what in case your price just goes into drawdown, so just wait and take a single good trade. That's it. Your mind will be good, your day will be good, all is fine. Okay, so here's a waiting scenario now. Okay, and we can just what to say, have a look at other squares too, how it looks like. And I just need to say a thing, right? Okay, wait a minute. So yesterday DJ just what to say made us some false move. I think you guys could see that. Okay, but I don't know who all just saw that, so let me just explain that too. Okay, so let me just do that. So see here price just coming all the way up. You guys can see that. So price, I just already said that once the price just forming like this a bullish movement, just wait for the next candle to form a support, and once the next candle just closes bullish and once the high was broken, you can come till a clean move, right? So this is the thing I just said you guys, and some of them message me why there is a mistake in this. Yeah man, your trade really done well, good job, but you just need to see a thing, right? So see here, wicks, so that get rejecting a lot of time here. So that's the main thing. So they just keep the stop loss at previous one, right? So the next one just hit your stop loss, man. See here, price just hit your stop loss and came further down and just closed and hit your TP. So this is the main thing. Once a candle just printing like this, try to avoid, okay, or try to risk lower amount. So just do this mistake only one time, guys. If you're gonna to repeat it, even if you got lost and get repeating the same mistake, that's waste, really waste. Okay, so if you got lost and what to say, get a good lesson, that's very good. You just paid for the lesson. So this is the thing those I just said on yesterday. Okay, now the candle just coming all the way down. So those are just watching the live, just like this thumbs up button, man. Just like the stream, that will be very useful for them too. Okay, for those who just came new, so this is my live trade. Sorry, not live, because today I'm not putting the live. So this is my trade on yesterday. Let me just remove this. Okay. So the same trade, I'm just expecting this. So this candle to close below here, to continue to fall. I'm expecting that candle to fall, man. That's it. And for buys, only if the candle just closed above here, that's 139.033, even after the live. Okay, even after the live, the price just close below here or close above here, I'm going to take a buy or sell. That's it. We can just have a look at gold, how the gold looks like now. Let's say USD. Okay, gold is just printing a good move, man, a good move. So this is uptrend. Okay, see here, price just came up and just formed a support. Next one just closes a bullish one. But in gold, only one thing. Gold just what to say, did a fake out on yesterday. Gold did a fake out on yesterday. So I don't know where it is. Okay, sorry. I just saw it on gold, but I didn't take that because I know gold may happen. Gold can do anything, man. Okay, gold is just coming to the resistance. We can just do a small analysis on gold till the DJ just closed this. More 11 minutes for 30 minute candle to close. Okay, see here, we can just check 4 hour, how 4 hour chart looks. Okay, 4 hour was strong bullish and it was just what to say, facing on the resistance. And see the wicks here. Okay, there it is. See the wicks here. Okay, so that place can reject that. So once, or even if they can just close above here by just forming support, the next 4 hour candle has high chance to come and fill that. But this area should be respected for gold. But GJ, in case if it GJ, it would definitely respect, but in gold I'm not that much sure, but this area should be respected. Okay, let's just check on 1 hour, how 1 hour candle just looks right now. Okay, see here, so this is a support, right? So this is a strong support, so resistance, right? So here we have a clean move till so 1,859,859. So that's a range about. Okay, that's very damn good. And see the clean move, man. So you can just have a look at 30 minutes, how 30 minutes can just looks like. Okay, so you can just do this little upper bit for get a confirm buys. Why I'm just lifted this is because see here, we just drawn at 1848. But what the thing is, once the price is closed above 1848, see here, the same candle is closed above, but next candle is fall, right? For taking compulsory buy, so that's confirmation buys. We need that candle to close above 1850 for buys and sells. Okay, sells, see here, price just made a low here, right? Price just made a low here. So once this candle just closes as a bearish by just breaking this support, we can just come till here. So this for sells. Okay, we can just zoom out that and just draw a horizontal line, so that's will look more and more clean manner. Okay, so that's done. For buys above 1850, okay, buys above 1850, it can go till 1859. Okay, so this for buys, and we are going to write for sells here. Sells below 1842, it can go till 1835. Okay, for buys and sells on gold. Hi. Welcome. So this for DJ buy sells, and this for gold buy sells. That's it. So now just note it down this. Okay, even now or even after the live, once a candle just close below here or even here, we will have a good move, man. We'll have a good move. Okay, it's just coming down, so there's more sound with for the candle to close. Okay, so once this candle just closes the strong bearish, the next one has high chance to come and correct that, man. Come on DJ, come on, close below here. Okay, we can just have other paths too right now. So this gold, and we can just have a look at Euro JPY, how it looks like. Okay, so Euro JPY, okay, Euro JPY is on previous analysis. Okay, let's just do this fresh analysis on Euro JPY. Okay, see the damn rejection. Price just consolidating. You guys can see that, right? Price just ranging. Price is ranging because of this bullish movement. Oh my god. So we can just cut down, and okay, see the price just came down and just made a wick for the next candle to move up, or anything may happen. But still we have strong resistance on there. You can just have a look at 1 hour, how 1 hour candle just looks like. Okay. So we need that candle to break above 126,704 for price to continue to go up. We can just have a look at 30 minutes how it looks like on 30 minutes. Okay, 30-minute candle says that, sees here, here price has made a low here, right? So what may happen is, so once this candle just closes a bearish one, maybe it can just make some upper wicks and just close the bearish movement. Okay, we can have a move till here. So see, this is the reason I won't trade on Euro JPY. So in case the same thing, in case if it just happening on GJ, this range would be minimum of 20-25 pips. Okay, so that's 14 pips, and but here we have support, right? So still you can just come to 9 pips or even 34 pips. Okay, so this is Euro JPY. So why I'm just drawn a zone here, because we may have a rejection on there, right? Yeah, now it's perfect. So for new entries, so once for example, if you wanted to enter once, it can just turn into bearish by just keeping stop loss at 10 pips and targeting, what to say, first target 10 pips of profits or 15 pips of profit. Okay, so once you just hit your profit, just what to say, book some sort of order. So okay, just close some of the position and leave the runners run by just keeping your stop loss at break even. Your runners may, what may happen is your runners may just come down and just hit me a break even, or it can broke this support even till come down and run till 45 pips, man. So that's what's it, that's is in your hand, how you want to hold a trade. Okay, so okay, now it's just coming. I think there is more 3 minutes for the candle to close. In 3 minutes anything may happen, right? In 3 minutes anything may happen. So okay, let's just think right now, what if the candle just close below here? Once the candle just close below here, the next one has high chance to continue to fill this clean candles, right? But what may happen once the candle just closes a bearish by above here? So that's the time we should wait for the next candle to break, or the next one to do some sort of things here. And still the candle just roaming in this range, I'm not going to take a trade. Okay, so let me just mention that range, sorry, range, no trade zone. Okay, so that's simple. Once this candle just what is it, once there is no green color candles there, in case there is full of reddish one till here, definitely man, once the candle just close like this, and once the next one just breaks the high, we can expect the candle to come till here. But what matters here, we have some sort of minor resistance here. So that is range, guys. Range, mostly it will just hit your stop loss and do some sort of things. Okay, so that's, we are just waiting today for gold and GJ, that's it. Other than that, no man. Okay, we can just have a look at other space too. GBP CHF, how it looks like. GBP CHF also just did okay, I think here's the thing, right? So once the candle yeah, I just remember that. So I just said that once the candle just broke below here, we are just coming to fill this wick as it just did. And once okay, the candle just close above the closes bullish above the support, the next one has high chance to come and fill this whole clean candle. But what happened? Boom, the gap up just smashed, although it just still came here. That's very good. Okay, we can just have a small analysis on GBPCHF2. Okay, so first of all, GBPCHF, we can just have a look at 4 hour, how forex looks like. Okay, so 4 hour just made a support there, so this bearish candle just broke that, and the next one just, I think this candle just making some sort of upper wicks for continue to fall. Okay, so I think this candle just making some sort of upper wicks to continue to fall, maybe till here. And here stop loss only of 31, so not stop loss. So for going down, that candle should not break the previous high, so that's it's about 34 pips, and that candle should come even to 38 pips. Okay, so we can just look at 1 hour. So this this structure is not good for me. Why I'm just saying this is, when you just look, okay, see here. So this is, I just said, guys, only 10 second is only 10 seconds is enough for the candle to flip into bullish into bearish, or bearish into bullish. Okay, so this is what I'm just saying. I think in 15 minutes you guys can see that. So once the candle just closes the bearish, once the next one just broke, we can just continue till here. But what is the thing here is, there is a minus resistance, so this minus resistance was supported by this candle. That's it. Right, you can see that, right? but it just came down and grabbed all the liquidity. So next candle has high chance to come till here, but it has a minor resistance. We are not going to bother for anything right now. Not audible. Speak a little bit loud. Okay, I think now it's very audible, good audio. Okay, 7 members are watching, just give a thumbs up button, man. Okay, so see here, price just came down. Okay, let me just repeat it again. And some members are watching, I think even one can just say that. Okay, wait a minute guys, there is a message for me. Let me just watch that. Okay, let me just back that. Okay, I think now the audio was good. Guys, 8 members are watching, just give a like. Now I'm just repeating that. So this is my idea of GJ. Okay, so today GJ, and yesterday we had a good trade here. So today we will have a good trade, man. Here sorry, here we had a good trade yesterday, and today we gonna to have a good trade here. So this is a range, and today we are not going to take a trade on this range. So once the candle just flip into bearish, not even now or after the live, once the candle just close below here, so that's about 138.341, we will definitely have a clean move till even first at 138.083, and we may have some sort of retracement, and the next candle may just come till 137.72, because on 50 pip range what may happen is, because in my experience I'm just saying, GJ mostly will cover the 50 pip range, like what say, single candle or double candle. But in some cases what may happen is, so GJ will come and hit 15 pip, may will just come up and will just grab all the liquidity, and it will just come down till here. Okay, so that's a retracement we call. So this is the thing, GJ will just do that. So this for price going down, and for price going up we are not going to take a trade. So in case really if there is no green candle, and in case if you have a clean move, we will definitely would take a buy once the 15-minute candle just broke the high of the previous one. Okay, we will definitely and expect keep the stop loss at the current candle, and we'll expect the candle to till reach 139.028. but see here, that's not a clean move, and here there is we have some sort of minor resistance. So that was, this candle just close below here. So this is the thing, we are not going to take a trade on range. Okay, turn on your volume, audio is great for me. Okay, thanks man, thanks for the messages. Okay, and those are just watching, I just made a video. I think you guys just saw that or not, I don't know. Just click that. Just click TRADEHOLIC ROSHAN. Okay, so in this I just made a playlist, right? So in this playlist you can just, oh sorry, the copyrights may have so you can just see that. So in this video I just said how to draw support and resistance like this, man, easy. So we are not, see here, we are not using any Bollinger Bands, indicators, nothing. So this is a pure price action. Okay, so the clean candle, so we just draw support and resistance based on this clean candle. So that I just explained a lot in the short and sweet manner in this video. Okay, so make sure to watch, and next video is based on, okay, gold rejecting 1847 4 times, should go down. So there is no, what to say, there is no buys or sells or anything right now, and I just said that earlier, because see that rejection. So this price, man, the price getting rejected, and see here 1 2 3 candles, a strong bullish one. So next candle may just come down or even go up or come down to correct this whole move. And remember, this is gold. In gold, anything may happen. See man, see the candle just rejecting that place. What may happen is, so once this candle just closes the bearish, the next one or even that candle may just come down, and once it broke, we are going to take a sell. That's it man. But now there is no buys and there is no sells. Simple thing. There is no buys right now. For buys we need to break 1850 to go till 1859, and for sells it should break 1842. So that's my idea on gold. Okay, it's just coming down, and we can just have a look at USD JPY, how it looks like. Okay, USD JPY, hey, that's really good trade man. So see here, like this pattern, so those are just watching my live from first, they can really took this trade man. See here, because I just explained this lot of time. Okay, so just remember, we are just waiting for the candle to break down or even break up, okay, to form the support to go up. Okay, see what happened next. So that this candle just closed below the support, and every what to say, so those are just watching, those 6 members are watching, and you guys know what going to happen next. The next one will come and fill this clean move, right? I just said right. So clean move on left, that will definitely reflect on your current price. So we need to book the profits man, that's it. So after we just book the profits, after we just traded, we are not going to worry that candle is a candle or that just made a wick. That's it. Okay. That for those who just took, really that will be a good one. Oh, only 3 pips. Oh damn, sorry guys, but okay, sorry, I just thought once, because I won't trade USD JPY, I really just thought of it will be really at 15 pips or something plus pips. And see here, okay, so the same, if you just are gonna to measure on GJ for example, like same, right? See here man, that's 55 pips. Okay, GJ USJPY worst. Okay, see the damn rejection. So this is a reason for, if the candle just making some sort of big wicks. So if the candle just, what to say, okay, so just remember that, just make a clean note it. So okay, so once the candle just single candle just making like this means, so that's good for the next one to continue to fill that wick. Okay, but even the next candle to make did the same thing, and the next candle to did the same thing means, so that's the problem for going down. Okay, so the next candle can't go down because see here 1 2 3 4 candles just rejecting that place. So what may happen, the next candle may continue to go up by just rejecting the down. This is the thing. So if you're going to see a single wick, or so if you're going to see a single wick, that's good. If you're going to see dual like this wicks man, like this, I think we just saw that gold right just now. So if you're going to see that, that's a really waste. See that clean move, this much move, it's only 26 pips. That's so sad. See here, that much move is only 44 pips. You can see the difference, and this much, so that's why this is only of 3 nails inches man. So that's only 41 pips. See the difference of USD JPY and GBP JPY. Okay, so okay, we can just go back to gold, how the gold was just looking right now. See here, the gold was just rejecting that place. So this is what I just said, right? 1 2 3 candles just rejecting that place. So once this 50-minute candle or 30-minute candle just close like this, the next one has high chance to continue to fall till here, maybe here. Okay, so that doesn't matter, we are going to take a trade only based on here man. So really, once the candle just close below here, I think even in this live or after this live, once the candle just close like this, the next one has very high chance to come and fill this wick, or even to continue to fall more. Okay, because TJ will gold will do anything. Gold will do a smash thing, because the gold don't even just worry for your account balance, man. Even if your account just having $100 or $1,000 or $10,000, gold won't bother that. Okay, gold will just flip as it can. See that rejection, massive rejection. 61 pip, man. Okay, so we can just look at GPP, sorry, not GPP, odd USD. How? Oh, sorry, odd USD. How it looks like. Okay, odd USD is looking not bad. Okay, so in this odd USD, see here guys, the price just facing the resistance one, and okay, that's only 15 pips. So that's only 15 pips. Okay, see here, that's only 15 pips here, and once the high was broken, so here is your trade. Okay, so right, so this is a simple one, man. If you gonna to risk or something, once a candle just broke high, you can just take a buy because there's a clean candles on left, but that's range on 15 pips. Okay, but if you gonna to take a buy once this high was broken, the next one has high chance to continue to move up all the way up till here. So that's about 30 pips. Why I'm just saying that always trade with a large range, because if you're gonna to take a trade on 30 pip range like this, it is very easy for you to catch 10 pips. Okay, so if you're gonna to take a trade in 15 pip range, it is so hard to catch 10 pips. Okay, okay, so this is done. And for sells, okay, and for sells here, but this is the reason I just taking trades on GJ, man. This is the reason. This is the main reason. See the range. So once a candle just broke the low, you can just take a buy, but it's only 7 pip. But once the low was broke, you can just take a buy, so that's 21 pips for USD trader. Okay, for perfect buy and for perfect sells, in case if I'm just taking trades on USJPY, that's definitely, it will be like this only, man, not anything else. Okay, so wait a minute, for perfect buys or perfect sells, to get catch some pips, the quick move, in case the price just close over here, I will just enter a buy position for USDJPY, or in case the price just close below here, I will definitely enter for sell position, man. That's it. Okay, other than that, so this is the main reason. USDJP, on GJ, see here, so if the same thing, it just looks like US odd USD, right? See here, so that thing itself is just coming up 22 pips. So this is the thing I just like most on GJ. Okay, and I'm going to make a video. So I'm having an idea that first thing, okay, when you're going to take a trade on beginners, so first thing they should know where to take a buy and where to take a sell, right? So that's the reason I just made a video first of how to draw support and resistance. So this is a simple thing, so I just explained on that video. And second thing, when you just learned how to draw support and resistance, the second main thing you should know is how to manage the risk, right? So when you just entered, you just drawn that, and you want to buy once high was broken. So once high was broken, when you just hit TP, that's very damn good, man. But what going to happen once the candle just retraced and just closes as a bearish one? So that time you need to manage risk, right? So managing risk is very very important. So that's the reason I'm going to make that risk management is a second video, and third video will be a very important thing, that how to keep your losses small. Because once you know to keep your losses small, your profits gonna to be a very big one, right? So just try to keep your losses small, so that all tutorial video will be come back to back, so that's all will come before December ends. So just try to learn all the stuffs on before December ends. So January is going to be our year, and we're gonna to rock, man. All the volatility will comes back, and all the stuffs will comes back, and we going to rock on January. So just try to learn all the stuffs on December itself. Okay. And this live won't end for anything, man. This live is just free education, gonna to continue all the year, all the month, all the days, all the hours. Okay, so that is the main motto of this live stream. And so okay, what pair we can just look right now, you guys can see that what pair we can just look right now. So GJ still have 13 minutes for the candle to close, and gold has still 30 minutes for the candle to close. Okay, so what pair we can just choose right now to take a good trade, man? Okay, so we can just have a look at forex factory, how what, so there is any news or any stuffs like that. So this is on, not say, Indian Standard Time, 6:45 p.m. So what's the time right now? Right now the time is 4:17 p.m. Okay, so there is no that much news. So USD CAD, USD, NSD, or so there's not that much volatility. So this is not even a news, man. Okay, so we can just have a look at currency strength meter. Okay, how the what is the strength of currency right now? Currency strength meter. Okay, yeah, man, it just came live charts. Okay, man, currency strength meter says that euro was strong, GBP was strong, USD was quite weak, odd was quite weak, JPY is quite strong, CHF was quite weak, NSD was very weak. So GBP is quite strong and JPY is quite weak, right? So that's need to, what to say, that's need to the GJ to fall. But what happening here? GJ just going up, man. No, it just stuck on that place. So this is the reason I just said that. See, so now there's no volume, right? So in case the same setup happening on New York volume or New York NYC session, that will be definitely will push up the candle to 138.915, because I know on the marketing open time there will be a lot of volume. Once the candle just grab all the liquidity, the next one will definitely push the candle to go up. Okay, so it won't respect this minor supports on market open. Okay, so this is the reason I didn't took this trade. And the second reason is this is on range, man. Shitty range will always too risky one. Okay, the candle just converting into bullish one. Oh, it's just going all the way up. Anything it can go. What may happen is, so this candle may just come here or till or even here. It can just get rejected and close below. May happen or may not happen. That's we can't say, right? Okay, man, so waiting scenario, and we can just have a look at Euro USD, how it was just moving. Okay, Euro USD, Euro USD price just made a low here, right? And it has a clean candle till here, so that's about 20 pips. So once this low was broken, we can come all the way down till 1.2136. okay, but for buys you cannot take a buy here. Okay, so for example, you guys can say that there's a resistance and resistance, so this candle just came up and made a support, and once the next candle just closes a bullish, the next candle should come till reach till here, so retest the high of the previous high. But the two main thing here is this is a minor support it was having right here, and the second main thing is the candle closed the no wick at the top. So you guys know, once the candle just closes the no wick at the top, the next candle has only 50-50 chance to go up or go down. Okay, so we just we didn't took a trade right now, so today we didn't took a single trade, so we are just waiting. Okay. And I'm having idea to shift the live timing, so not for the anything, but it gonna to be after maybe on January gonna to be very good month. Why I'm just saying this is in before December ends, we're gonna to learn that much we can, and we're gonna to I'm gonna to teach you people that much I can. Okay, so just don't expect too much profits, or don't expect the profits in this month or before learning. Okay, so just expect the experience, so that will definitely give you profits as much you need. Okay. So in January gonna to be very different and new month. January we're gonna to trade on funding talent of 100k account, and more and more, man. That gonna to be very good one. Okay, so January we're gonna to trade on funding account, and second thing is we're going to change the live streaming timing. I think now the live streaming is I'm just making is 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. right, so I'm going to make as 5:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. so that will be good right now, right? I just thinking, so 5:30 p.m. so we can just check it at Google. 5:30 p.m. IST to EST. Okay, so 7 a.m. of American timing, man. 7 to 9 a.m. Eastern. So that's very good. So we're gonna change the live time streaming at 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Okay, 6 members are watching. That's very good. So we are just waiting right now. In waiting scenario, I think I can teach you guys something here. Okay, okay, that's perfect. And just imagine. Okay, so just imagine, so this is a waiting scenario, and just make a note. Even we can just make a note of it, or not that much. Okay, so just imagine, okay, this is a candle, bullish candle. Okay, so not bullish candle, so it is a bearish candle. It was just forming like this. Okay, so just imagine that, and even the next candle just consolidating next to next one. So here you are just waiting, right? Here you are just waiting for the candle, and down we have a clean move. Okay, see here we have clean move here, and just made a upper move. So don't ever just think that, just focus on this place area alone. Okay, so here price just consolidating and just making support, so we can just draw that, draw this as support, and here price just making resistance, right? So here you can just draw resistance. So now you are just waiting for the price to break up. So once the price just broke up, you guys know the price can just go up. So there is a clean traffic on left, or even the price just close below here, you can just come down to reach to retest the low. Okay, so here's a waiting scenario. What should you do is, okay, so just in starting, don't ever take impulse entries, because in impulse entries there will be lot of fake outs. Okay, so just wait for the candle to break down or break up like this. For example, the candle just broke down like this, so there is two chances. Okay, this candle should close with a wick or close without a wick. So once the candle just closed without a wick, just ignore the trade, man, just ignore. Okay, because what may happen here is, in starting just ignore that the next candle may just go up or close above the bullish one. So don't ever just trade on the candle without wick. Okay, so in the second case, once the candle just closes the wick, what may happen, there is a two scenario. The next candle may form a support, and the next one just breaks the low and will continue fall. Okay, so this is the first case. And second case, what may happen is, so this is the trade which I just took on yesterday in the same setup. Price will just come this is the starting price, right? So once this candle just closed, and then next minute the candle will just come up and will grab some sort of liquidity, man. So it will just come at least at the off of the 30-minute candle. So in that place, when you're damn sure that, so in this place I'm just damn sure that, see here, price just broke the support, price just consolidated, and the next one just broke the support and broke the previous lows too. So the next, and there is a clean traffic on left. This is the main thing. So there's a clean traffic on left, so that has 100 not 100%, so that's a high chance for the next one to continue to fall. So what I will do is, so once the candle just made like upper wick, I will just enter a trade on here, because there is a two things. I'll just enter once the low was broken, and I will just enter once the once it just making upper wicks, because just see here, once the low was broken, you're going to enter. So that's about so don't just think, so you just think it is a 10 pips. Okay, when you're going to take a trade by just breaking the low, you're going to 10 pips. And once your second entry would be, once it's just making upper wicks, then your your stop loss is only 4 or 3 pips, man. That's very, very low. Okay, for going down, that candle should respect the previous low. So that's a very, very important thing. So there is a two entries, right? So my first entry, my first entry once here, and second entry once the high was upper wick was made. So what may happen, wait a minute, the next candle will just come all the way down till maybe here or here. So now once the candle just closed or something just filled the clean move, so anything may happen, right? The next candle may just come up and hit go up and hit my entry point or stop loss. So here's the thing, once your trade just hit 10 pips, just close your position. I'll just close this position. Okay, I'll just close this position, okay, on that position, because that will be easily get 10 pips. So once the trade just hit 10 pips, I'll just keep this trade stop loss at break even, and I'll just leave this trade as run. Okay, so that time your profits are increasing and all the stuffs are increasing, man. So just practice like this. So like this education videos will just come line by line by line. So just implement that on a live market, man. When you're going to implement that on a live market, it will go to gives you a drastically good improvement, man. Drastically good improvement. Okay, so okay, I just draw a lot of boxes, so that's candles to give example. Okay, I think the candle just closed. Okay, oh no, there is one more minute. No, 24 seconds for the candle to close. Here is the thing why I just said, see here, this price is respecting this minor resistance. So range, man, range, shitty range. And the main thing is patience. So patience is very, very much important in this forex in price actions too. So why I'm just saying the patience is very, very much important is, if you just urgent to take a single trade, because my my thing is I'm gonna take a 1 or 2 trades a day, man. So that's a that should be perfect, right? If we gonna to do a single work a day, that work should be perfect, right? So just do that only work perfect, and there is no need for doing the 10 work perfect, man. So just sit and just take a 1 or 2 trades. So just do that 1 or 2 trades a perfect one. So I'm just what to say good in patience, and my worst case is I will not keep my losses hold. Okay, I will not hold my losses. Okay, so this is the thing I just said you right now how to just take a trade and how to just what to say. So that's called as so wait a minute, guys. Dynamic risk and static risk. Okay, so what is dynamic risk is, wait a minute. So dynamic risk is here we just what to say already predetermined. Okay, so that is a dynamic risk. So once, wait a minute, so I'm just searching a good example for you guys. So wait a minute, yeah, I think it's a good one. So see here, right? So what is dynamic risk? So once a candle just so just imagine this is the current candle. So once the candle just closes, so we're just waiting for the candle to close as a bearish by just breaking the low, and we have a clean move till here. So that's for 50 pips. So once the candle is broke as bearish and next one is formed as support, predetermined risk is we know what's our stop loss should be. So our stop loss should be at 15 pips, and we're gonna to just keep your TPS 33 pips. So that is 1:2 ratio, right? So this is predetermined risk. What is static risk is, so just now I just said, right? So by just taking trades on upper wicks, or by just taking trades once the body was broken and once the wick was broken, so that is dynamic risk. So that is static risk. Okay. Sorry guys, my throat was quiet. Okay, so there is no what to say courses or something. This is just keep it as simple, man, simple as possible. Don't just what to say make it as a complicated difficult one. Simple 3 steps. Just draw support resistance. Okay, so that's based on price action. Okay, so just draw support resistance and wait for the candle to break. Okay, so just keep stop loss at 10 pips and TP as the clean candles that much. Once it just reach 10 pips, just close your partials or close your position or something by just keeping your stop loss at break even. Leave the runner strength, man. That's a simple thing. There is no need for complicated things to happen. Okay, the main thing is let me just 1 or 2 trades. If you're gonna to follow this, it will definitely help you a lot, man. 1-2 trades a day. Okay, so this is my what I'm just following. Okay, 10 pips a day, 1 or 2 trades a day. So that is a 10 pips a day. Oh sorry, wait a minute, my mic just falling down. Okay, and main thing is choose 1 to 2 pairs, man. Don't ever choose more than that. Only 1 to 2 pairs, 1 to 2 trades a day, 10 pips a day. So that's a profits, right? So that's your wish. Okay, main thing is just take 1 or 2 trades and just choose 1 to 2 pairs, man. Don't just grab all the pairs. That will definitely will confuse you and all the stuffs it will do. Okay, so I'm just choosing GJ. Most of the time I will just trade GJ, and sometime I'll just trade gold. That's it. So like that you guys can do that too, because that will be really stress free. Okay, keep losses small. So, okay, sorry, small. So once you're going to keep your losses, small, that's what to say, that leads your account to be full of blue, man, full of blue. So some may just what to say just remember that, and some may just trade even with the no stop loss, man. That's very risky one. Why? Because is when you want to take a something on, especially on GPP JP1, when I just taking trades in my trades, when I just took in beginners, when I just beginning, I won't put stop loss. Okay, so in the beginning okay, sorry. When I just in the beginning stage, I will not put my stop loss, I'll just put only TP. So what happened is, once the Brexit news came, I don't know what is Brexit news on that time, so the GJ will just affect on that Brexit news, because that Brexit talks will just come as a breaking news only, man. So that Brexit talks will just move GJ minimum 100 and 110 plus pips, man. So okay, that's move just what to say. In my God grace, that first move, okay, that will be 100 plus move on top and 100 plus move on bottom. Okay, so the first move just hit my TP, and after that, once it just hit my TP, it just went all the way opposite, man. So just what to say, see, in case what happens if it just went all the way upside, that's about 100 pips. Okay, so that will be very risky one, right? So don't ever just what to say, trade news trade, man. News trades are very risky one, so just avoid news trades. Here's a waiting scenario. I think okay, gold is coming all the way down till I think now it can come till here, man. Okay, man, DJ, and even after the live, okay, even after the live, if you just saw the prices closing up or closing down, definitely just take a buys or sells. Okay, and don't just use this live stream for calling, signal calling. Okay, so just learn what I'm just saying, that's it, man. And if you just came new to this live, I explained how to just enter a trade, and how to just what to say, take a static risk and dynamic risk. Okay, so just watch a recap, and even after the live finish, you can watch that. Okay, so that will be very useful. So once you're gonna to learn like these stuffs, man, for free, your profits gonna to be full of your pocket. So in starting, don't ever think for profits, and main thing is emotional. Okay, main thing is emotional. That's the thing I need to say in this live. Okay, you should control your emotions, man, because emotion will play massive role in forex, or not in forex, or all the share market. Why? Because is just imagine the thing, right? Because I just want to say, passed all of the stages, not passed all of the stages, but even the some of the stages, right? So when you just took a buy here, so when you just took a sell here, right? For example, once the candle has a clean move here, and once the support was broken, and you just took a sell once the wait a minute, you just took a sell once the low was broken. Okay, so you are expecting the price to what to say, come down till here, but what may happen here is the price may just come up off of the candle. So that time, what may happen here is, so you before you will be just profits of 3 pips or 4 pips, and all of a sudden the price will just come into negative 4 pips. So that's the time your mind will just stammer like anything, man. Okay, so that's the time your mind will say, so OMG, or just close the trade, or just add another position or something. The mind will just what to say, do like a swing. So that you should avoid. Okay, so what to say, the emotional will play only at the 3 points. So first point is, when you're gonna to use what to say, high lot size, man. When you're gonna to use high lot size, so that's the place you're gonna to be so emotional and so what to say, panicked one. So when you're gonna to use only 1% risk, 1% risk in your balance, so that will be, so if you, in case if your account balance is only $100, so that's 1% is $1, so you should use only 0.01 that time. Okay, so when you want to use 0.01 that time by just keeping stop loss at 10 pips, and that lot size is to depends only on your pip value. So when you go on to keep your stop loss only 5 pips, your lot size can be 0.02, right? When you go on to keep your stop loss at 10 pips, that should be only 0.01. So what we emotionally play here is, so that can may just come up and it will go down, man. After it definitely will go down, but for before it will just grab all of the liquidity, right? So that time, for those who don't know how to take a trade, so they will just emotionally will close a trade. So after they just close, it will just come down, man. So that time they will just think, oh man, somebody just watching my trade, and just what is it, when I just closing that one, it's just going in my direction. No. So once the candle just did like this, they will just take entry there here. So that's a wrong one, because see here only what is it, so there is only less range. Okay, so there is not enough range here. So what may happen is price will just come down only 1 pip, so that will also go in what is it, in broker commission, and price will just what is it, just close above like this. So they will just again close the trade, and they will just become so emotional, and some of them will be over risked. So that's the time they'll just say like, OMG, forex was very risky one, and it is so hard to predict, man. So those are the shit. Don't just trust those words. Okay, 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 see here. So this is the thing, right? Rejections. So this is, I just said, right, 1 2 3 4 candles just rejected that place, and he just coming all the way down. He just filled the wick, you guys can see that, right? He just came down and filled the wick perfectly, and this candle should come and close below here or something to move still here. That's it. On GJ is still on the range, man. I think you guys understand what is what will just control you on emotional. First thing is when you're gonna to use high lot size other than your risk. Okay, so your lot size should be determined only by just keeping a stop loss. Okay, so when you just using a stop loss only 5 pips or 4 pip or 3 pips, something, not 3 pip, 4 pip or 5 pip, you can even use 2% risk, but don't ever just increase 1%. Okay, so even if you are a beginner or something, so just in beginning just try to use only 1% in your account balance, man. So that time what a mind says is, okay, when you're going to lose, you're going to lose only 0.50 cents or even 60 cents or 70 cents, but when you going to gain, so that's $1.6 or $1.7. Okay, so that's the main thing. Your mind will emotionally will play out you more, and later lengthy trade, don't ever, if you just miss the trade, don't ever feel for that, man. I just already said that if you just miss the trade, don't ever what to say, oh, I'm just missed this trade, what I can do. No, because this is forex and this is main GJ will print our what to say, the way we need the candle to print, that will be repeated on weekly at least 2 times or 3 times on New York session. I just saw that many times, not only New York session, on even Asian and London session, that candle will print in the way we need that candle to be printed. Okay, so don't ever feel for that when you just miss the trade and you know that that's where the candle will move in your direction. Just what to say, note it down the candle structure, because each candle structure will say thing what it should what it gonna to move next. Okay, for example, if someone just missed this trade, once the candle just closes the bearish and next one just came up and made upper wick and just what to say, fall for about 40 pips. When you want to see this on next time, you should not miss. Okay, we can just check left. Okay, so it's not good one, but for example I'm just saying. Okay, so in this live, I think this live is very informative. I think so. yeah, we just discussed how to use static risk, dynamic risk, and how to just take a trade and how to manage your risk when you just take a trade. Okay, so no, we didn't say how to manage risk, right? Okay, so in this live is the way it's gonna to be very good, and what to say, very informative live. So now we can just say that how to manage your risk, right? Managing risk is a very good one for a person to get grow. Okay, so we can just we can just have a, I think we can just search a thing for you guys to teach. Okay, managing risk is a very easy once you try to what say you just had a, a degree on that. Okay, so okay, we can just draw it by an explanation itself, and once we just started our webinars like on simulation videos, so that's also will be available from January Feb. I'm going to do simulation even in the same YouTube live stream. Okay, so that will be more and more useful. Okay, so how to manage risk. Okay, so once the candle just closes for example, this is a market structures and candle structures. I just saw a lot of time. Okay, once the candle just closes a bullish one, and once the next one just closes a bearish. Okay, so here you could see that okay, so where is the case, where is horizon? Yeah, so here you could see that price just made a high here, and price just made a high, and now it just coming to make a low. So once if you just see like this, once the next one just formed as a bullish, so bullish for, we can just make the red one. Okay, wow, so once the next one just closes a bullish, so the next one has high chance to come and correct this whole move, right? So this is a market structures we just saw a lot of time, and the next one what may happen, the next one will just go all the way up. So this is the main thing. But so in case if they can just do like this, it's 100% perfect, and congratulations. So what may happen once the candle just closes the bullish, and you are going to take an entry once the high was broken and keeping the stop loss at the previous low. What may happen once the candle just go up in the 3 or 4 pips profits, and once the candle just go into profits, it's perfect. Or once it just win profits and just coming and into your entry place, in that time what I will do is I will just close a 50%, man. Okay, for example, if I just took a 0.1 or 1 lot, I will definitely close half of it, because once the candle can't can't go up, it get rejecting that place, it has some possibility for get hitting by stop loss. So that time we should manage risk, right? So once you go not to just manage risk by just closing off once your drawdown, before drawdown, so that your loss will be 0.0, right? So there will be no loss. So even the candle just hit stop loss, that's okay, that's perfect, man. You are not lose the full money, you just lose the half of the money you decided. So that's where the risk management plays. So just but in starting, that will be very hard to follow the risk management. By just days goes by, it will be very helpful for you guys to lose very less amount. And I'll just see. Okay, your account balance, your account trading history will be like this: plus 100. Okay, so plus 120, because I'm just taking only 10 pips, right? For I'm just seeing this as one lot trades. Okay, and your loss would be less than 40 or less than 30. See your profits and see your losses. Once you go not to manage risk by just price just coming into your entry position. Okay, so this is the reason. So definitely your profit log will be like this only, man. Okay, so when you manage risk, okay, so this is the reason, just manage risk. You are a risk managers, guys. You are risk managers. Okay, so we can just come in. How DJ just okay. So DJ just coming all the way up. So once the candle just closes as a bullish one. Okay, see here, price just closed above here and grabbed all the liquidity, and what happened next is the candle just respected this minor resistance and just closes a bearish one, and next one just formed as so next one just respected the previous low and just broke the high and just coming all the way up. So like this candle only I like, man, because like this one, it may happen, it will hit your TP, but we may have some sort of consolidation. So I hate that, like the consolidation. So once the candle just broke above, we are going to take a buy, or once the candle just closed below, we are going to take a sell. But here I think we can't go sell. What's the time now? Now it is, oh wait, now it's 4:51. We has more, some more minutes for NY to come. Not so it's more than an hour or NY to open, man. So still we didn't have a trade, but in this live I think I just covered most of the how to say, not most, all of the basic thing, man. And there will be lot of PDF, lot of what to say, course, or even paid course. Okay, so all will give you knowledge, but the knowledge is only 50%. Okay, so just for example, I may just show you the live itself. In case if you just see the same setup in your course, okay, the clean candles, clean move, that course won't what to say, will just sit next to you and okay Roshan, just close this half and just close this full position. Okay, so from now the candle may just reject that place. So no course or no one will just say like that. Okay, so there is no need for someone to say that. Okay, first of all, don't ask anyone to take a buy or sell. That's your wish. If your mind says, or if you just see a buy or to say sell setup in your Tradingview in your laptop, that's perfect, man. You can, or when you just someone is share in WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram or any social media, and you want to copy that will be definitely what to say, it will be good for temporary, but it won't just what for last long for permanent. But like this, if you're gonna or learn by yourself, it will be permanent, man. Permanent, right? I think the live stream just covered most of this thing. How to, first of all, for if you are a beginner, first of all, how to just draw support resistance, that was taught, and how to just enter a position. Okay, where to enter position and how to enter position. So that's what I just said right now. And if you just new, just watch live again. I think I'm going to share this live to everyone, so that because in this live I just said most of the things, right? So how to enter and how to enter I just said, and second thing, and the third thing, after you enter, in case your position just hit TP, that's fine, or even when your position just going into drawdown, how to manage the risk. So that one too I just said. Okay, so that's it, man. Other than that, what needed? Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, done. So I'll just back within 2 minutes, guys. Wait a minute. I'll just back within 2 minutes. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, I'm just backed. So let me just fix this mic. Okay, done, man, done. Okay, what's gold looks right now? Gold is 2 didn't give a single confirmation right now, and GJ2 didn't give a single confirmation right now. But this live we gonna to share to everyone, because everyone should learn, because the main thing is no one should pay for someone to learn, man. We need everyone to learn for free. And because in 100% 50% people will just do like they will just ask for risk funding management, man. What they need is they will have money, but their money should be traded by someone. So don't just think of that, man. That's very very just waste thing. Okay, so don't ever try that. uh, there is a lot of funding companies, so those are trusted. In that you gonna to take a trade, right? So that will be very very good. And because in starting I to give money to someone for because he just said lot of things, man. He just said that he gonna to make I just gave only like $500 $600. He just said that he gonna to make that into 1,200 in starting. I just said, oh wow, really, man? That's 100 200% uh, return. Oh, in a month? Okay, that's damn good. Okay, let's give to him. He just gave me account with $96 back, man. Not a profit. So the $650 he just traded and just lost, and he just returned me only that too he didn't return. I to just change the password, man. He just pakka scammer, man, scammer. So in my experience, I'm just saying that don't ever just give your money to someone or give your account to someone, because I'll just say that they will just making so they will just doing business of money management or something. Don't ever trust them. The only thing is trade by yourself. That's the only thing here. Okay, I think the live just covered almost 1 hour 27 minutes, and we gave all the stuff here. And the one main thing is I need everyone to learn for free. That's the main thing, man. So this course should not be sold for everyone for cash or some dollars or something, because these courses were just selling for $650 $1,000 $2,000. And I just I just need everyone to learn with free. That's it, man. So that's the main motto for this live. Okay, so if you guys has any doubt, you can ask right now. Okay, 8 members are watching, so just give a thumbs up button of this live stream. Okay, so we can just make a note of it for newcomers, because some just come into new, right? Watch the recap. Okay, sorry, recap of the live, because recap of the live, because in this live we just said lot of information. Like, first thing is how to draw support and resistance, and second thing, after you draw, how to enter a good position. Okay, so third thing we just discussed here is static risk and dynamic risk. So these two risk we gonna to use for gaining more. That's it, man. Static risk and dynamic risk. And fourth thing we just discussed is risk management. So risk management is just for managing your risk, right? So that's the main thing. So these are the things we just discussed in this live. For in case if you just came new, just watch the live recap. We just discussed all the stuffs. Okay, perfect. So we can just remove this. Oh, I'll just back within 2 minutes. Okay, the price just closes a bullish one, and here waiting scenario. And don't just feel OMG, you just waited for a long time. And this live is the I just made because I know, and I may just wait even for after I'll just wait for what to say, like in your opening time. That's it. In case I'll just trade maximally in this live itself. In case if I didn't get any trade in this live, I will definitely but I will definitely will say like this: once I can just close above here or close below here, we will take a sell or buy. But once what to say, this thing happened in newer session, I will just take that. But after that, definitely I'll just close my chart. In case if I just got a trade now itself, I will just close my chart and I will just done for the day. But I'll just wait till that 6 p.m. That's it, man. Even till that I'm not getting any what to say a good sign for trade. That's it, I'm done for the day. I'll just come on next day to watch, because my winning streak on, I think last week only one loss. Monday, Tuesday's profit, Wednesday's only loss, and Thursday, Friday's profit. That too, the Monday to Friday, all the profit is plus 15 to 20 pips, and losses is only minus only 4 pip, man. And you can watch the live recap too. So that trade's just taken on live only. And Monday we just having plus 11 pips, and Tuesday we didn't what to say, we still didn't got any trade. That's it. But our winning streak is growing, man. That's good. That's damn good, right? Our winning streak is going good. And the main thing is I'm just what to say, taking trades live, not for calling, not for signal calling, man. Because some may just ask, right, you are just teaching people for free. That's perfectly okay, but your method will work out or not. So for them, the answer is on daily live stream. So so I'll say, right, so your answer is on daily live stream. The daily live streams I'm just taking trades live. So there's your answer, man. That's it. Okay, and today is it's about 1 hour 30 minutes, and I already said, right, on from January I think after 10 or no on January 1, after January 1 itself, I think we can just shift our live timing into 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So that will be good, right? Because from January I have to have work, so even I have work, I also need to do this live stream, right? So that's the thing. So from January the live stream timing will be definitely will change, but till December there will be no change, and all the stuffs will be same, man. After the January only the live stream timing on will change, but the informative things and live trades won't change. So make sure to just subscribe TRADEHOLIC ROSHAN, and I'm having an idea to do a simulation video, so that's too will be soon. That's I think that will be just come on January only, and December, and I'm having an idea to make a live stream for one day, 24 hours, 24/7 full of live stream. I'm having idea to make that, and what's you guys your opinion on that? Let me just comment that. But that will be on this month itself, man. One day I'm gonna to make a 24/7 live stream. So in that live stream, everyone can come, and everyone can ask anything, and everyone can do. Okay, so that's the what is the motto of that live stream, 24/7. So that's really impossible, right? 24/7, but 24 hours is possible. So I'm going to do a live stream for 24 hours on one day, man. 24 hours, so that's one day fully live stream will be on, and I too will be there. You guys can ask anything. So that will be definitely will be good, right? so there is 25 minutes for our live stream to end. So still we are just waiting, and just think what may happen once we are just doing live stream for 24 hours, man. So that will be very very what is it, so interesting, right? So 24 hours live streams like this, I may just give you all the stuffs, what is it, informations, and we will get a lot of trades, but I won't trades that much. So that's I'm having an idea, because some may have just work at morning or afternoon or evening, because they just watching from different countries and they just messaging me. But so what's the thing is, some may just having a work at my live stream timing, and they just coming home, and after this they just watching my live. So all of them, I think at 6:30 to 7:30, sorry, 5:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time will be good one. And these two things I'm going to apply, that's on Jan, and the 24 hours live stream is going to be before this month. Whenever I'm just free, I think maybe on Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, any day, I'm going to make a 24 into 7. So it will be big marathon. Yeah, man, it will be good day. So 24 hours live stream gonna come soon. So 24 hours live stream gonna come soon. So but definitely I'll just say the day before, 1 week itself. Okay, so you guys can to come that and join that too. But in that, man, in that definitely what to say, you should what to say, just chat like this. Now you just interacting like, so you should also chat like that. So when you just interacting like that, the 24 hours will be very very interesting, and it will be more fun and more informative, man. So I will just share all my experience, which I just what is it, done in GJ on getting 10 pips profit. Okay, and we can just talk about what to say more. So this is just I just said in a basic manner. Okay, so because so this is the things I just said only on basics, right? But you should know this basics first of all. So if you just came, you just watch the live recap, man. We just said that, and in the 24 hour live stream, right? So in that live stream I will definitely what say, we'll just explain in detail, man. We'll just explain in the detail and more what to say, like in my experience I'll just say that in each and every setups, because see that DJ will just print what to say, same setup like so there is some sort of setups, 4 to 5 setups, which I just saw that in case the candle is printing on that setup, I will increase my lot size, right? So I will just show that setups too, and I'll just explain the more risk management in my experience. So all the stuff's going to come on that day on 24 hours live stream. So just make sure to join on that live stream. Okay, so don't ever miss that. Okay, so if you guys has any doubt, you can just ask right now. Okay, so we can just check the streak peak. Oh, so maximum is 8 members. Oh, 9 members just watch that, so that's really useful. So I need this one to be, so I need this one to be at minimum 15 or 20, man. 15 or 20 or even 30 or more, because we need to reach that everyone. So just share this. I think I will definitely, I'll just say when will be the 24-hour live stream. Okay, so just share to everyone, and everyone can know that when could that because there is only few what to say, free educations with trusted one, right? I'm not asking money and not stuff. So there's a free education, there is a lot of free education, but some may scam. So there is only few trusted free education are there. So just what to say, use that, that's it. Okay, okay. Oh, here my logo was there. Okay, so that's good. For me it was not showing. So what your guys just thinking of that, So okay, now the sound members are watching, right? So now you can just say me how the today live was there, because if you guys just message me, or what to say, just do like this comment, okay, so that will inspire me more. Okay, so that will inspire me more to do more videos and more live streams, okay, to reach all the people. Okay, so if the sound members are watching, so in sound members at least few may just say that how the today live stream was held, how you just enjoyed, or what the stuff you just did this on live stream. Okay, so just share the live stream to everyone today, man. So today live stream is very worthful. Rate the live stream of today. Lol. And the 24-hour live stream date will announce soon. Okay, so 24 into, I think once the 124-hour live stream just hit it, or what to say, so the more members giving interaction, and more members what to say giving lots of support for that 24 hours, man, definitely we're gonna to make a lot of 24-hour live stream. Okay, so but first of all we need support on that. So if people just gave me support, so that's the time, that's the thing we are gonna to continue to more. Okay, I think in 3 minutes we can just finish our live stream. Okay guys, in 3 minutes we are going to finish our live stream. Today we had no trade, but today we had lot of informations, right? So, and we can just check YouTube, just TRADEHOLIC ROSHAN. So this is my channel, man. Okay, so that's damn good. I think I'm not having permission to show this all the stuffs, but it's okay. Okay guys, there's more 2 minutes for this live stream to end. If you guys has any doubt, you can ask that. After the 2 minutes I'll just close this live stream. And having any doubt or any stuffs like that, there is more only 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes automatically the live stream will going to be end. More 2 minutes for the live stream to end. Okay, so I'm going to discuss with one of my friend about the 24-hour live stream. So that's gonna to be a big one, man. We're gonna to make it as a marathon. So I think I can just make what say. Okay, I can just make see you next time. Yeah, man. Bye bye. So there's more 2 minutes. So no, there's more 1 minute 50 seconds. So I'm gonna to just close sharply at 1:45. So not 1:45, so 1 hour 45 minutes. So there is more 90 seconds. So still 4 members are watching. Tada, bye bye guys. Meet you soon. So the live stream was ended. Okay, so you guys can come tomorrow at so tomorrow the live stream will start at 4, right? The main thing, Monday and sorry not Monday and Wednesday alone, the live the Monday Wednesday live will start at 4 p.m. IST. Okay, so Monday and Wednesday alone the live will start at 4 p.m. IST. But other than that, like after like Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, the live stream will be at 3:30 itself, man. Okay, time up. Bye bye.